Every morning, the robot vacuum chased Whiskers through the hallway, bumping into walls, swerving around corners, whirring like it had a mind of its own. At first, Whiskers ran. Then he started watching, waiting, learning. He mapped the vacuum's path, left paw prints where it turned, timed its rotations to the second. He even tested it. One swipe of his tail, a quick jump over the charging dock. He knew its weakness, and then he made his move. Whiskers dragged a towel across the floor, slowly, silently, right into the vacuum's path. The bot rolled forward, didn't see it coming. Thud, tangle, whir, choke. The lights blinked. The bot froze and shut down. Whiskers sat beside it, tail flicking, a quiet purr of victory in his throat. But the next morning, the vacuum rebooted. Its system updated. New sensors, smarter navigation. This war was far from over. Subscribe for more.